Student, if you like my video, please subscribe my channel. Here we are discussing empirical formula, molecular formula. How do we get? Okay, now there are three steps. First step, mole concept is used. Second step, you have to find out empirical weight, and by the empirical weight, by the mole concept, you can find out the molar mass. And by the mole, when you will get molar mass, at that time, you have to draw this table and you have to find out empirical formula. When you drawing this, you will get empirical formula. From that empirical formula, you will get empirical weight. From that empirical weight, you have to use this formula. N is equal to molecular formula weight divided by empirical formula weight. So you will get the value of N. After this, you have to go for this. This is actually third step. This is first step. You have how to get N, molecular weight, and this, and then molecular weight is equal to empirical formula, product of empirical formula and N. N is the ratio between molecular formula weight divided by empirical formula weight. Now we'll go for the question. A compound containing of only carbon and chlorine shows analysis. This much carbon is there, 10.15, 89.85% chlorine is there. And if each molecule, this is the trigger point, you should know about this. When each molecule weighs this much, the molecular formula of the compound will be find out. You have to find out. Okay, so from here I have written one molecule weighs 3.93 into 10 to power minus 22. So 6.022 into 10 to power 23 molecule weighs. We calculate it out. It is coming to be this 233.66. Okay, this is gram per mole. This is molecular weight. Okay, this is molecular weight of the compound. Clear? Now we got this from the mole concept. Now we will draw the structure, because we have to find out empirical weight. For that, we have to get empirical formula. So what you have to do, chlorine we have to write down with percentage, and then percentage divided by atomic weight. Atomic weight of carbon 12, it is coming to be 0.8458 when you divide it, and 89.95 is percentage. This is percentage divided by atomic weight, and you will get the form this 2.531. So we will get simplest ratio divided by least. So this divided by this is the least. So after dividing, you will get 1. This is 2.5309 divided by 0.8458. You will get 2.99, approximately 3. So empirical weight you find out, it will be 118.5. Then you will get empirical weight. So molecular weight you will get N, you can get, and this form N will be here 2. So the formula will be C2Cl6.